Alright, Collector Net. I'm back with my second box of threads for 2008. I decided to go ahead and open this up. I know me. It wouldn't sit around here too long anyway, so I might as well open it up, get the videos loaded. So, go ahead and get started with this box. I was pretty happy with the first box, so might as well. Off the gate, here's a Tony Romo jersey. Pretty sweet. That's a nice color there. It's like a teal, or it's not really gray, but I'm guessing it's probably part of the pants, but it's like a teal color. Number 52 of 250. So far, I'm liking it. Here's a rookie of Antoine Carson, number 173 of 999. Move that knife. There. Base. What is going on here? Next pack, another rookie of San Keller of the Raiders, number 46 of 50. Nice low number rookie card. Base and base. Next pack, here's Gridiron Kings, Plexico Barris, number 103 of 250. So, numbered insert. Here's the Century Stars of Devin Hester, unnumbered. Numbered card of Trent Edwards, parallel number 13 of 100. Here's Gridiron Kings of Chavis Jackson, unnumbered. I keep forgetting to tell people I have a total bucket, Collector Net. Here's the Ryan Grice Mullen, rookie card number 225 of 250. I don't do too many trades, but if there's something that you just have to have, I may. Usually I don't, like I said, I don't do too many trades unless it's something I'm really interested in. Other than that, I'll just buy it. Every time I trade, I usually get something that I really didn't want. Here's Steve Smith, unnumbered, Gridiron Kings. Here is rookie collection of Malcolm Kelly. That's a nice size jersey there. It might be a patch. Yeah, it says jersey on there. Number 11 of 25. Pretty dope. Nice thick stock too. So that's pretty sweet. So that goes to Tony Romo. Nothing there. Century Stars of Tom Brady, unnumbered. His Dynasty of Jim Brown, Otto Graham, and Lou Graza, and it's unnumbered. His Gridiron Kings of Aqib Talib, unnumbered. This one feels heavier than the other packs. Here's a frame of Joe Claco, number 44 of 100. Pretty sweet. And this is Gridiron Kings. Yeah, pretty sweet. Nice frame card. And this pack will be my autograph. I just had that feeling. And my feeling was wrong. Got 4 packs after this. 2 more hits. Gridiron King Carson Palmer, unnumbered. Chad Jackson. Here's a dual game used of Marion Barber, number 175 of 250, 2 different colors, which is always good. Alright. I want to give thanks to Chris. Here's an autographed rookie of Dantrell Savage, number 697 out of 999. Again, thanks to Chris for shipping this out to me. He has a pretty good shipping, ships pretty quick. And again, thanks. I watched the videos. Here's Emmett Smith, Gridiron Century Legends, unnumbered. And my final pack, which will be dead. His Generations, Dan Phelps and Phillip Rivers, unnumbered. So again, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for support. If you haven't, subscribe, and see ya.